Hello guys, my name is Kishan Patel and I'm here to tell you a brief information of a cardiologist doctor. What do? They are special kind of doctors who deal with patients' heart, veins, arteries and circulatory system. They do not have to perform surgery unless in some emergency cases. That job is done by a cardiac surgeon. Their job is to tell what patient is suffering from. What you have to study. For getting admission to college, first of all, you must have to take chemistry class, biology class, calculus class, and physics class in your high school, and you also must have a GPA of 3.5. You also must take college for at least 4 years unless you are done with all your classes in 3 years. Your college classes must include more biology class, physiology, chemistry, and sociology classes. After taking college classes, you also must have to go to medical school for extra training. For getting admission into medical school, you also must have a GPA of about 3.8 in college. Medical school training. Medical schools have classes that will help you to learn all about human body. Gross anatomy classes teach you about human body, everything from cranial nerves to the muscle of the eye. These classes will also include a lab where you will detect a human cadaver. In histology classes, you will study the cells of human body by looking at them under a microscope. Your pathology classes teaches you about diseases, while your biochemistry classes consist of memorizing knowledge such as Krebs cycle. Residency training. Your first 2 years of residency include rotations in different aspects of cardiology. You will learn about ECG interpretation, exercise testing, echocardiography, and nuclear medicine in the cardiac non-invasive laboratory. Your rotations will give you experience in inpatient and outpatient consultation. In your third year of residency, you will decide which aspect of cardiology you would like to pursue in depth, such as pediatric cardiology or cardiac surgery. How to become certified? There are probably many ways to become certified. First of all, you must have completed 10 years of clinical and educational preparation. You also must pass a test which is of 2 days long given by American Board of Internal Medicine. These exams will help you to understand your knowledge and ability to provide superior care and judgment during the time of panic. What are some of the equipments they use? Defibrillators are the machines that are used in the time of heart attack. It supplies electrical energy in an attempt to start heart once again, so it starts beating properly. ECG means electrocardiogram, and they are machines that measure heartbeat by recording electrical impulses in the heart. On the right bottom side is an example of ECG, and on the left bottom side is an example of defibrillators. Some other equipments they use. Ventilators are used to help patients to breathe properly, and they are also necessary in some cases of heart attack when breathing has been affected. Ultrasound equipment allows for examination of a patient's heart. On the right bottom side is an ultrasound equipment, and on the left bottom side is a ventilator. What are some of the diseases that they have to deal? Heart failure is a situation in which heart no longer pumps enough blood to the rest of the body. Mitral stenosis is a heart valve disorder. This occurs mainly in mitral valve. This valve separates upper and the lower chamber on the left side of the heart. Mitral valve regurgitation occurs when heart's mitral valve doesn't close tightly, which allows blood to flow backwards in your heart. Aortic stenosis happens when aortic valve does not open fully. Aortic regurgitation happens when aortic valve weakens or balloons, preventing the valve from closing tightly. What are the places that you can study cardiology? There are actually many places to study. You can actually study cardiology from any of the college, but some of these college listed below gives extra training for student. You can even graduate from lowest level of college but still can be a good doctor. The ability of good doctor depends on your skills, not on college. Some of the good places to work. You can even work in any of the hospitals. But if you think that you are best in cardiology, you can apply admission in many good hospitals in big cities, especially in New York and Denver, because they are known for good cardiology hospitals. Even hospitals listed below are known for their cardiology supplies and their treatments. Earnings. Each person earns differently depending on their skill and experience. If you are new in this field, you may not earn more, but if you get more experience, you will start earning more. But according to census, an average earning per person in United States is $2,700,000 yearly, and it also depends on what part of United States you live.